We get green selling light in interstitial in the gardener of my heart. You blame a gentle light that chases the gloom with every touch. The world is igniting in your embrace. All wrongs feel right. Our letter dances on the breeze. A symphony of love that never fails. Forever, you are my heart will sisters. My soulmate, my light come. What am I? You make up me in my world a better place with your love and kindnessing. I am so lucky to have you in my life. And you call mine me. Your love is the sweetest thing in my life, and I am so thankful for your every moment we share together. Your love is like warm hug and comfort and makes me feel safe. I am thankful for you, my love for you as the blessed month of Ramzan begin. I pray Allah fills in your heart with love your souls with patience and your love with joy. A good morning, my love, my beautiful. May the holy month bring us closer to Allah and each other. May the pleasing Ramzan shower you with happiness, properties and spirit growth as we start this secret journey together. I pray that Allah guides us, forgives and please us daddy the happens, or it is all dream, a wilting and beautiful visions of a thing that could not possible be real. But I cannot imagine my brain every being capable of imagining someone as amusing, web smart as you are cannot possible capable meaning festing the kind of interesting love that we have. I will never take for granting this beautiful love that I have with you, not once, not every. I miss you so much, sweetheart. Where sweetheart, offering say goodbye, I felt a like throwing myself endless pit of so entering impending right. Please forget whatever that happened. The darling, this is my new WhatsApp account. Please click on the WhatsApp button to message me. I miss you much, darling. My heart for you will never broke. My smiles for you never fight. My love for you will never end. I love you. If would you be anything, I would be your tears. I would have grown in your eyes. Life down your cheek and die on lips. When you need someone, to there you all by right, there by side always. When I looked at my past, I say something missing, and the then reasons it was so bad. You are my present. I look at my future and how complete is. One day it is finally come true. The special someone that I loved me too, and special someone was. Life has never been better. Thank you, sweetheart, to the all of my life. I wish you have the best out of life processions in our setup. Your heart today stay grading lovely for me, dear. Love wanting thing more than me within. You are feeling down. It hurts me more than you know. When I cannot be there, I want to hold you, kisses you, and let it you. Now that everything will be alright, it is hard being so many meals away from when I know you are the wanting. Nothing will never change, no matter the distance. Keep ups apart. I miss still sing there for you. Thoughts I don't like the way it has been. Will still love this endless thing. There are so many things wanted to but feels expressing them. But what I can say that love you today forever. You are the pieces I'm missing for a long. The moment came into my life. I feel to complete. Would you please mind me forever? Let you all my happinesses by you are all your sorrows be and only mine. Imagine growing old anyone else. Nor do I want my dream is it hold your hand, never let you go it up again. Would you be my wife? You are be right sunshine lighting up days. Can you stay a girl like you with a heart of gold deserves all the things in this life, and I property together extra meal to see you have this in your life. I know for you when I look into your eyes, I connect it to your souls. All is profound.